at the Fish River High School. After the COVID, the kids are basically kind of isolated. So this brings them together to get to know friends and socialize with other schools.
Students that are now here, what I would like for you to take home from here to make friends with other students from other communities, share experiences, and leave here with a very fun, positive, caring experience.
And then the group leaders could take their kids to make posters and come up with a name for your guys' group. It took a couple months to plan. There was like at least 12 of us that put it all together, and also like MFNERC helped lots, like giving us the funding.
Introduce yourselves.
Jada.
Jada? Marty.
A good opportunity for them to come this way, this far, and to learn new things.
Nice just to get them to experience it, how it was to do your coding of fire making, bannock making, stuff like that, how they had to do it back in the day,
The York voting is so important to us, like our Cree people, because the story for it is that's how our people came from Norrie House. Like we originated from Norrie House and we came along the lake and we settled here, and that's how our people came here, was on that York boat. So that's how that York boat is so important to us, because that's a part of our culture and the things that our ancestors did long ago.
I just wanted to acknowledge a former teacher here, Gerry Mason, who is no longer with us. It's fitting that we acknowledge someone who had a dream and a vision that our youth would participate in games like this.
He was the one that invented land-based here in Fish River, and he's just really invented everything. Like he's the one that took charge and doing the land-based with the kids. And for me, I remember growing up and I took his class and I was one of the top ones in his class, and I remember thinking, like, when I'm older I want to be a teacher, but I want to be a land-based teacher like him. It was really sad, like, when he passed on, because I knew myself, like, that is someone that I looked up to and wanted to be like, and I got the honor of taking over his class and teaching his class and trying to keep the things that he had going within the school. You could do anything as long as you put your mind to it. That was always his thing, like, just have fun while you're doing it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Like, things work out, things happen for a reason.